we are going to learn how to give tolerance for a single dimension. Just like here, you can see that here the dimension, all other dimension don't have tolerance, but the dimension here have the tolerance. So as we know that if we type dim style and we click dim style, it shows the dimension style manager command box will opens, and where we go for the modify and we click the tolerance, and here method is none, and we select the limits. Here we can see different types of commands are here: symmetrical, deviations, limits. Here I select limits and I give upper limit value 0.05 and lower limit value 0.05 again. And if I press OK and close this command box, if you can see that all the dimensions are now showing tolerance. So I don't want this one, I just only want this dimension to show the tolerance. So we can undo this program, and for showing a single dimension with tolerance, first we have to select the dimension, which dimension we have to show the tolerance, and we can right click and choose property, or we can click control press 1 for showing the property. This is the property of that particular dimensions. Here it will shows all the informations about this particular dimension. We have to scroll down and we can see that the option of tolerance. So here we can see tolerance display none. Go there and select that display and choose limit. Here I am going to choose limit. When I choose limit, is suddenly ask for the lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit means if I give any value for here, it will shows the limit in the below of the dimension. I will show you. Here I'm going to select 0.05 here, and see here dimension, the tolerance is showing here. If you don't want that tolerance, so delete it and select the upper dimension, upper limit, and here I want to select 0.05 and here I will delete it. Yeah, okay, 0, and close the command box, and you can see that here